started down in Acapulco. Said that American boy, he's gone loco. Just another wild ass gringo, don't know how to handle his beer. Same thing in the BVIs, went deep sea fishing, but I broke a line. I only had on SPF 5, took a bath in some aloe vera. They say that I've lost it, just like Atlantis. Oh, but that's semantics, that ain't the way it is. I'm just Caribbean crazy, a bit barefoot and lazy, where everything's a little hazy from the rum. I put it in my Coca-Cola, take my boat to Tortola, and stay far away from sober, 'cause I'm having too much fun. Like that time down in Panama, stole a parrot from the peninsula. Then I got caught by old Jose Law, but I broke out of jail. Let me tell you about that spring break down in Montego. I was 28 and she was 18. Oh, but she showed me things I didn't even know. Man, I hope I don't go to hell for Caribbean crazy, a bit barefoot and lazy, where everything's a little hazy from the rum. I put it in my Coca-Cola, take my boat to Tortola, and stay far away from sober, 'cause I'm having too much fun. Let's have some fun now. They all say I've lost it, just like Atlantis. Oh, but that's semantics, that ain't the way it is. I'm just Caribbean crazy, a bit barefoot and lazy, where everything's a little hazy from the rum. I put it in my Coca-Cola, take my boat to Tortola, and stay far away from sober, 'cause I'm having too much fun. We stay far away from sober, 'cause we're all having too much fun. Just Caribbean crazy, yeah.
Hey man, I tell you, when I stole that bird down there in Panama, man, and got caught, I thought I'd never see the light of day again. But this senorita came up and slipped me the key through the jailhouse door, man. I broke out of there, headed straight for the boat, and I put up them sails, headed south, and I ain't never been back.